tour of the ancient ceramic town Yao Li.
I'm just here.
Okay.
I have a good memory.
Let's take a sightseeing tour to the Yao Li Ancient Town. Yao Li is a local tourist attraction. It is located in Fulian County, Jingdezhen City. It is about 50 kilometers from downtown Jingdezhen. The turnaround time is about 2 hours by car. The Yao Li town was famous for its relic ceramic material supply and porcelain production, starting in the Tang Dynasty, 1,000 years ago. There were abundant natural resources, handicrafts and kilns. It was one of the key areas of porcelain manufacturing in ancient time. Moreover, it is known as the cradle of Jingdezhen's ceramics industry. Yao Li has lost its glory, frozen in time. But on the other hand, it well preserves its original look, its natural beauty, ceramic relics. Yao Li Mountain Village has appeared in several Chinese movies, featuring its residential buildings and beautiful scenery full of forests and waterfalls. We enjoy seeing the well-preserved ancient buildings, built 300 years ago, in the Ming and Qing dynasties, shopping street, ancestral hall, old dwelling houses and old-school archways. We find the quiet remains of many old Huizhou-style buildings. The crystal-clear Yao He River flows right through the town. The ancient buildings are naturally harmonized with the environment for a long time. The Dongbu Ancient Wharf is another attraction of Yao Li Ancient Town, which is about 10 minutes away from the Yao Li town. The Dongbu Ancient Wharf is located on the eastern bank of the Dong River, at the base of Kaling Mountain. It was one of the famous ancient streets in the Fuliang region during the Ming and Qing dynasties. This area comprises the ancient street and wharf. It was served as a gathering place for kaolin clay during the ancient time. The waterways were the primary means of transportation. The Dong River originated from Kaling Mountain in Yao Li, flowing through Dongbu village and eventually joined the Chang River to connect to Jingdezhen. The ancient wharf played an important role in connecting the Yao Li region with the outside world. The Dongbu Wharf is at the foot of Kaling Mountain. It was crucial for the ceramic supply and transportation. It was from this wharf to transport kaolin clay, glaze fruits, and kiln firewood to Jingdezhen, supporting the growth of the porcelain industry. We walked the shops along the ancient street in Dongbu. We saw the grooves on the stone slabs left by carts. We read the stone inscriptions of Qing dynasty decrees and regulations. The kaolin clay market was a record of the vibrant scenes at the ancient wharf. Raonan Ceramic Theme Park is optional attraction to visit. Raonan Ceramic Theme Park is about 15 minutes away from Yao Li Village by car. Raonan Park presents a rich ceramic culture of the Yao Li. It shows ancient kiln sites from the Song, Yuan, and Ming dynasties, along with relics of the ceramic industry, like ancient mines and water-powered mills. Raonan Park is recognized as an important ceramic production site. There are some traditional workshops of ceramic production. It runs along a small river, which powers hammer mills that continuously crush stones. There are also ancient dragon kilns and even pottery wheels, where you can try throwing Jingdezhen porcelain. Visitors can engage in interactive activities, and to experience the charm of the ancient ceramic culture.